Hello, my name is Kayla Sebastian. Everyone call me Kayla. Now I am in primary 1. Every day I go to school at 7:30 a.m. and I can wait to see my friends and teachers. My favorite subject is art because it's fun. Art class lets us express ourselves in unique ways, whether through painting and drawing. It's a space to share thoughts and emotions without words.
Kayla is a thoughtful student. She shows kindness to everyone. She also helps everyone in need in our classroom. That's why she is a perfect example of the student of the month.
Don't forget to have fun when you're learning.